In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in Teams to manage your contacts and make sure everything is organized and easy to find. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Teams page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or More menu. This is where many of the app's settings are tucked away. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options related to your account and the app. From here, click on the option labeled Settings. This opens a dedicated settings window or panel where you can control how Teams behaves, how notifications work, and importantly for this video, how your contacts are managed. Inside the settings area, look along the left-hand side for a section called People. This section is specifically focused on contact-related features. Click on People to open the contact management options. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little within the settings menu. It should be grouped with other personal or account preferences. Once you're in the People section, you'll see options related to how Teams handles your contacts. Here is where the actual syncing and management tools live. Look for a button or link labeled Manage. This is the control that lets you review and adjust how your contacts are handled behind the scenes. Click on Manage to continue. After you click Manage, Teams will typically show you where your contacts are coming from and may give you options to connect or review contact sources, such as your organization's directory or other linked accounts. Take a moment here to confirm that the contacts you expect to see in Teams are appearing correctly. If your organization allows it, this is also where you can adjust or review any available syncing options or connection details. Once you've checked everything and confirmed that your contacts are showing up the way you want, you can simply close the settings panel. Your changes are applied automatically, so there's usually no separate save button to worry about. And that's it. You've opened the main menu, gone into